I'm gonna like you anyway. Yeah, like you.
Jonita and Ash, we know you're amazing in the songs you sing. Today we're going to see what you're going to do at the chocolate face-off.
Are you ready to lose?
Are you ready?
So we're going to make a rich and decadent chocolate Marquise
Okay.
with a fantastically tart plum compote.
Wow.
Plum.
And before we start, let's take a look at the recipe.
Yes.
To make chocolate Marquise with plum compote, we need ingredients for chocolate Marquise: melted dark chocolate, melted white chocolate, unsalted butter, whipped cream, icing sugar, cocoa powder, rum. Ingredients for plum compote: castor sugar, cinnamon stick, plums, water. Ingredients for plating: cherries, whipped cream, mint leaves. Let's start with plum compote. Water, plums, sugar, cinnamon stick. The compote is ready. Let's make the chocolate Marquise. Butter, sugar. Let's divide the butter. We're going to put 75% into the dark chocolate, just for the texture. And we're going to put 25% with the white chocolate. Dark chocolate, rum, white chocolate, rum. Put half the cream in the white chocolate mixture and the other half in the dark chocolate mixture. Let's start with the dark chocolate layer, add the white, then the dark, and then the white. And I think 25 minutes are up. Jonita,
Yes.
you are awarded the penalty.
Awarded.
And you're going to have to melt your chocolate. Ash is going to get melted chocolate.
Thank you very much.
Oh, man.
You have 1 hour on the clock and your time starts now.
Ah! That's one way to do it. Just eliminate the competition.
Let's start putting in your ingredients.
Here we go. These are the plums.
The flavor of cinnamon with plum is amazing.
I can smell the flavors. It's so good.
That's not the plums. That's me.
Guys, the compote is almost ready.
Okay.
I think it's a good time now that we can set it aside and start preparing the chocolate Marquise.
Sounds great.
Wow.
Let's do it. Jonita, you need to melt your chocolate.
Let's do that.
Mine is melted already.
It's because you eat more cookies than I do.
I know, but-
So whatever.
Do you sing when you cook?
तुमसे मिलने की तमन्ना है, प्यार का इरादा है, ला 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 जानम.
Tiri. Oh, wait, I'm getting distracted.
What?
Competition, competition.
Really
How's my
gonna-
chocolate looking?
It's looking good.
I feel like Ash is getting a head start.
He's got a head and neck start, Jonita.
Oh my gosh.
So let's catch up because your chocolate's melted.
No! He cannot win this round.
That must be 70%. That must be 70%.
Where did you get 70% from?
Well, the calculations of my brain.
Guys, we have 40 minutes to the finishing line.
Divide this into 2. That seems pretty fair, kids. Was I supposed to do that? Butter, butter.
Ash,
The white chocolate
this was
has-
70% and
Right.
this is 30%.
Right.
In the 30%, you can add the white chocolate.
Aha.
And in the 70%, you can add in the dark chocolate.
I didn't put any butter in there.
So you forgot the first stage.
I was...
Why don't you put some cream in this and some cream in that? How's that?
Oh my God. There we go.
So in the dark chocolate, you can add the cocoa powder as well.
Oh, yeah.
And there's another secret ingredient right there. It's rum.
Smells delicious.
Smells delicious.
Shall we start putting it into our setting pan?
Let's do that.
Ash. Shall we go to the fridge? We need to
Let's.
set it about 20 minutes. Jonita, Ash, let's take out the chocolate Marquise.
Me first, me first.
And we have to get ready for plating.
It's mine. Beautiful, look at it. Ooh, consistency is on point.
Ah,
Come on, we have a minute left.
Voila! I don't mean to be mean, but what is that?
I don't know.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands off. I need to taste because I have seen the way you have presented it, Ash.
How do you feel about the composition
Oh, yeah.
of the cake?
Composition is delicious. I love the cream. It's set perfectly. I love the plum compote. The taste is perfect.
Thank you so much.
The presentation is rustic and more community.
Thank you so much.
Nothing wrong with that.
Thank you.
But let's see how Jonita's done.
Mine is sophisticated and smooth.
Okay.
The crunch of the plum
Yes.
was really defined. I love it.
Okay, good. I was like,
This
wait.
is the time. This is the time. Ash, I loved the flavors in your plate.
Thank you.
The taste was very good, but in presentation, perhaps, Jonita, you killed it.
Ticks.
So the taste and the presentation was perfect.
Thank you.
You are the absolute winner of the chocolate face-off.
Yes! I won something.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Zeba.
Perfect.
I'm gonna like you anyway. Yeah, like you.